Hey. Hey, how do I say hello? Today I'm gonna be doing this look, which I call the not so natural summer glowy, not so glam look. I think I need a better name for it. This is kind of my basic makeup routine. Unless I have to be really quick. All of that said, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna quickly prime my face. I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. Now that I've primed, I want to go in with a bit of concealer just on the couple of blemishes that I have, those darker spots. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Porcelain Beige because I'm so white. I'm just going to use my Morphe sponge to blend that out. Okay, foundation. I never know what foundation color I am. I just guess every time. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This one's been quite the rage recently. Figured I'd try it out. It's actually pretty good, given I'm not sure what skin color I want and I want it to be summery. I do want it to be a little bit darker. I did have a tan. I think it's washing off. I'm not sure what shade I am currently, so I'm gonna mix the shade 445 with 410. I'm gonna take my Morphe JH03 brush and just blend that out. This color's looking a little dark. Blended that in. It is a little dark, so I'm hoping that I can bring that up with a bit of concealer. Figuring out my face shade is the absolute hardest thing to do. I don't know if you guys have troubles with that. I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and anywhere else. It's so light. I may be reconsidering this color. I don't look as ghostly white now. I just went back in with the sponge to blend that out. I took it above my eyes as well to use as an eye primer because no one's got time for that. I'm not mad that it is sitting a little lighter. It's kind of evened out well, and I know as soon as I put powder on, as it starts to sit through the day, it will start to darken. I'm gonna use this Mercier translucent setting powder to set it. I've got this tiny little tub because I wasn't convinced that it was gonna be good, so I got a tester. And it's a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. Don't tell Jazz. You don't need to powder your whole face. I exercise a lot and I will be exercising later today, so I really want this to set and stay. Not the biggest fan of baking. Under my eyes get so dry, then my face feels really stiff and flaky. I will bake if I'm going out or if I'm doing something that I really want to look flawless and last. I'm not sure what next. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some stuff on my lips. This is the Revlon Kiss Exfoliating Balm. Contour or brows? Brows. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and do my brows. Insta-brow. I'm doing this all backwards. I don't even know what a normal order is. I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna be using my Jouer Springtime in Paris Matte and Shimmer eyeshadow palette. I'm really just gonna be touching on 3 colors. I'm gonna take my JH30 brush and I'm gonna go in with the camel color. So I'm just gonna take that into the crease. Not sure if you guys can hear that outside, but it is raining. Like torrential downpour. It's supposed to be summer here. Where's the sun? I'm gonna take Mauve with my JH33 brush and pop it in the crease. Alright, just throwing brushes around. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blending Brush. I'm gonna take this JH41 and I'm gonna come into that gold shade, true gold, on the lid. I'm gonna quickly dust off any excess. I'm gonna take this little JH38 brush and I'm gonna put that underneath my waterline. I'm gonna take that color Mauve. Then I'm gonna take this tiny little JH39 brush, it's a little itty bitty one. I'm gonna take that gold color. I'm gonna go in with a teensy bit of eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Master Precise Skinny by Maybelline. I just lined under my waterline a little as well. I'm now going to go ahead and do a bit of mascara and put some lashes on. So we're back. That was one huge ordeal. I absolutely hate putting on fake lashes. I managed to get there with a lot of difficulty. I ended up going and lining my eyes again to just smooth out the lashes. It just didn't want to work for me today. Let's go ahead and finish off the rest of the face. Okay, we're gonna bronze the face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in shade Light with my JH02 brush. Okay, I am very bronzed right now. I'm gonna use the same bronzer to contour my nose. I'm gonna take this weird little brush, it's JH10. I'm gonna take my Jouer contour palette in the shade medium to dark. I'm gonna take the medium shade just to contour a little bit more. Am I getting quieter? I feel like I'm getting quieter. Why can't I speak at a regular people volume? Why can't I do that? Then just going to use a little bit of blush. I have this NYX Ombre blush. It's in Mauve Me. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna use my Milani highlight in Afterglow. I actually really like this one. It does such a good job and it isn't very expensive, which is so great. Using the JH09. This left me extremely glowy. My nose looks like I put a piece of foil on it. Face is done. I'm gonna set that with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Don't open your eyes too early. Let's move on to some lips. I'm gonna take this matte Innocence by Milani. I didn't use lip liners because I'm lazy. I'm gonna take this Nude Shimmer by Milani. It's a lip plumper to add a bit of a shine to my lip. That really fills it out. I got really full lips right now. I think I'm done. This is my Not So Natural Summer Glam Glow look. It's kind of glowy, kind of glam, kind of natural. Okay, this is one of my go-to looks. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, or don't. Thanks for watching.